one of the most popular questions here.
Yes, yes.
Is that you are Igbo and that you are denying that you are not Igbo. Are you Igbo or not?
I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. You see, people must understand things. We were in the eastern region. Nobody can deny that fact. We're in the eastern region. People interpret my name as Wike. They don't understand the history of Wike. In my play, Wike means a newborn baby. You see, Wike is a new baby. Right? They said Wike is a strong person or whatever. That's not my point. Okay, assuming I'm an Igbo. Assuming I'm an Igbo, as they said. So I should allow criminals in Igboland to kill security agencies. Assuming that.
No, they don't want. No, sir. They don't want you to deny your Igbohood. They said, for example, your first name, Ezenwo, is an Igbo name.
No, you see, that's why we have to be careful. My name is Ezebunwa. Ezebunwa. Now, you see, nobody can deny the fact of affinity with Igbos. Nobody can deny the fact that in our place, your mother may come from Igbo, your father may come from Igbo. We have had that cultural affiliation and affinity. You cannot deny that. Take for example, in Benin or Edo State, they've been with the Southwest. Is that not correct? Is that not correct? There are so many names. Here, Apata. There's Apata in Edo. There's Apata in Yoruba. So are you not saying the Apata in Edo is the same Apata in Yoruba land? There is spelling different. They may have a relationship, but that does not mean that you are the same. You know, people, when they want to do something, they, assuming I'm an Igbo, do not consider. Assuming I'm an Igbo, do not consider. But I am not in Rivers State, right? So because I'm an Igbo in Rivers State, so I should allow criminals from my area, who they say as Igbos, to go and kill security forces, agents. Is that what I'm trying to say? I'm not one politician that for whatever political manage, I will not change my identity. I will not. I will not. And people should understand that. I've given you a difference between Apata in Edo, Apata in the West. Are they the same Apata? They may have some relationship. You never can tell. After all, there's nobody that can say you came on your own. We have all links here and there. Some people trace, today. Some Equatorial people in their own history say we come from Benin, right? We come from Benin. Okay, I may believe the history. History is not something you can say is sacrosanct. Some people have their own views about history. No, from what we have read, people came from here. From what we have read, people came from here. But assuming people now say we are from Benin, position is now zoned to Benin. Therefore, I will go and contest that election because my history, my progenitors, my origin, they are from Benin. Okay, like you, Dele Momodu, you are from Yoruba. Ayaibu came, Odudu were descended from heaven. Maybe.
No, I'm actually from Edo State.
Okay, no, I'm just sorry. Okay, fine. You see, the Dele Momodu. You see,
Delegiwa too was from Edo State.
You see, no, but you see, some people will now say you are from the Yoruba because your name, your similar, your name resembles a Yoruba name. So when people here say I am from Igbo, they may be right because of the name, but you cannot say, let them trace my history. I'm not going to run away. I have nothing against the Igbos. I've lived with them. They are very good people, very entrepreneurial, very innovative. But that does not mean I will change. I will not do that. And even if you convince me today I'm an Igbo person. Okay, let me say I'm Igbo. Igbo people, I'm Igbo today. So does that say I should go and allow miscreants to go and kill innocent security agencies? Look at what one boy, I don't know his name. I hear you interviewed him. I don't know. Okay, let me remember. I was told. They say he has IPOB. You know his name?
Mazi Namdekanu.
Okay, I don't know his name. Now, thank you very much. Now, they said,
Governor.
He said, no. I have never in my life, in fact, from what somebody said, see, I don't read all the, I'm not in social media. I'm not into all this.
But it's all over all the newspapers.
No. In fact, people tell me, my Commission of Information, my SA media, they tell me what they read. I said, I've never met this guy. He said, oh, they supported me. How? From where? I've never met you. Igbos live in River State. Whether I like it or not, the Yorubas live in River State. Whether I like it or not, the Hausas live in River State. Everybody look at the people who are contesting the election to say, look, this one we think will do a good job for Rivers people. It's not for you as a person. I don't know now what do you call it, Mazi? I don't know what's called Mazi or whatever. Okay, he says Mazi. That I've never met him. I've never seen him. Never one day. And people just bring sentiment upon sentiment upon sentiment. I will never in my life deny the Igbos. When we're in Eastern Nigeria, we have a relationship. Nobody can deny that. And it was that strong. But to say, okay, assuming we're Igbos, assuming, but River State is River State. And by the Constitution, this local government is called Oyinbo local government. Now you come from